Hi, my name is Lori Sloma, and I'm the Math Labs coordinator on the Fox Cities campus. All of our tutoring will take place online this semester, so I want to show you how to find us. If you go to the UW-Oshkosh website and click on Fox Cities, then hover over Academics and scroll down to Tutoring Services. Here you'll notice all of the services that we offer, the discipline-specific tutoring, the Writing Center, and then the Math Lab and the Developmental Math Lab. So if you're in a math class that's 104 and up, please click on the Math Lab. If you're in 100, 101, or 103, click on the Developmental Math Lab. So once you click on one of those labs, you'll see some information about how to contact us. Notice that you're going to email us, and one of the tutors who's on duty during this time will email you back a link to the Go Board session. If you have any questions, please let me know or your instructor know.